Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen someone on a cruise ship smiling, in uniform, serving guests and thought, wow, they have the dream job, getting paid to travel, waking up in a new country every week, sunsets at sea? It sounds perfect, doesn't it? But here's the truth. That smile you see? It's hiding exhaustion. That uniform? It's worn after 16 hours on their feet. That dream job? It comes with a price most people aren't willing or able to pay. Let me take you behind the scenes. Let me show you what cruise ship life is really like. You wake up in a room smaller than your closet back home. There's no window. The air is stale. You hear footsteps from the hallway, a distant paw announcement, and the loud hum of the engine below. You've got 15 minutes to get ready and be in position with a smile. Your day has already begun. There are no weekends here, no holidays, no days off. You work 7 days a week, sometimes for months on end, 12, sometimes 16 hours a day. And when you're done serving guests, you still have training, cleaning, safety drills, and inspections to handle. You learn to smile when your back aches. You learn to serve when your eyes are barely open. You learn that sleep is a luxury. Your cabin? It's the size of a small elevator. You share it with a stranger. No personal space. No alone time. Just a curtain, a bunk bed, and whatever comfort you can fit into a plastic drawer. And while guests enjoy pools and buffets, you miss weddings, birthdays, family dinners, even funerals. You read messages from home on a cracked phone during your 10-minute break and try not to cry before your next shift. And yet, you push on. The cruise ship is more than a workplace. It's a world with its own rules, its own rhythm. There's a strict hierarchy. A single mistake can cost you your contract. You follow orders, keep your head down, and always look sharp. You serve people from all walks of life, some kind, some rude, some who don't even see you as human. But still, you show up, smile, and give your best. Because you're not just doing a job, you're surviving a test of endurance. But here's the beautiful part no one tells you. Through the struggle, you grow. You meet people from 60+ countries and make friendships that feel like family. You learn resilience. You develop grit. You start to understand just how strong you really are. So the next time you're on a cruise and you see a crew member smiling while serving your meal, cleaning your room, or helping you at the front desk, remember this: that smile is not just part of the job. It's a symbol of sacrifice, a sign of strength, a silent story of someone who gave up comfort to chase a bigger life across the ocean. Thank you for listening. If this gave you a new perspective, please like, share, and subscribe for more true stories from life at sea. Until next time, be kind, especially to the crew.